Good morning, day 65 of 75 Hard. Yesterday, I finished my fourth book of 75 Hard. As a reminder, you're required to read 10 pages of a nonfiction book every single day. And it just reminded me how little actions daily, consistently add up. Because 4 books in 65 days or 64 days is, I'm not going to say it's impressive by any means, but it's only 10 pages a day. And rarely am I reading more than, maybe some days I read 11 or 12 just to get to the end of the chapter. But you don't realize how much progress you make when you do that. And the same goes for your fitness and your nutrition. Like, you show up and go to the gym today, show up, get a great workout. Awesome. It's not going to change your life. It's not going to change your physique. It's not going to change anything about the way you looked from yesterday to today at all. And if you do that again tomorrow, it's also not going to make any difference in the way that you look. It makes a difference in the way you feel. But you're not going to see weight loss. You're not going to see fat loss. But if you do that consistently, day after day, 30 days, you're like, maybe I'm slimming up a little bit. 60 days, you start to notice some stuff. 90 days, you start to notice a change. 120 days, 150 days, 6 months. That's when you see the difference. But it's just showing up consistently every day. You take a rest day every now and then if you're not on 75 Hard. But don't negate the power of your consistent actions on a daily basis and the results that they produce. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later. All right, day 65 tasks are done. It is 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon. Man, I'm just telling you, that feels good to get up and get shit done. Now, I know I say that often, and I also have to remember I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So I've been up for 12 hours. So if you're waking up at 7 and that's the start of your day and you're getting done at 7, you're still being quite efficient with your time. So again, don't think you have to get done in the middle of the day. I just happen to start my day really early, and the sooner all these things are done, the more I don't relax necessarily, but the more I can just go about my day and do the things I need to do and spend time with my family and maybe relax a little bit. I don't know. It's hard to relax when just things to do, and you have a toddler, so and he's wild. Anyway, day 65 done. Make good choices. I'll see you tomorrow.